Imagine a world where your food is not only grown but also monitored and harvested by artificial intelligence. From seed to plate, AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Welcome to the future of food, AI farming, the evolution of agriculture. For centuries, agriculture was labor intensive, dependent on manual effort and seasonal intuition. The Industrial Revolution brought machinery, the Green Revolution introduced chemicals and high yield crops. But today, we're in the middle of a digital revolution powered by artificial intelligence. What is AI farming? Visual AI brain overlaid on crop fields, sensors pinging data, autonomous tractors. AI farming, also called precision agriculture, uses machine learning, computer vision, robotics, and big data to optimize every stage of farming. The goal to produce more food with fewer resources, reduce waste, and make agriculture sustainable and resilient. Let's dive into the core technologies making AI farming possible. Data collection, IoT sensors early 2000s present. Smart sensors monitor soil moisture, pH levels, nutrient content, and weather. Example Arable Mark and John Deere's Field Connect.2. Drones satellite imaging mid 2010s present. Aerial imagery is analyzed by AI to detect crop stress, diseases, and yield estimates. Companies like Precision Hog and Centera lead the way through machine learning predictive analytics. Since 2015, algorithms forecast optimal planting schedules, pest outbreaks, and irrigation needs. Google's TensorFlow is used in some agri startups for crop modeling. Autonomous machinery 2010s present self-driving tractors, e.g., John Deere's autonomous 8-hour tractor, robotic harvesters, e.g., Agrobot for strawberries. Robots can selectively weed, plant and pick using computer vision. 5. AI in livestock farming, late 2010s present. AI powered cameras monitor animal behavior, health, and feeding patterns. Example Connectera's IDA platform for dairy farming.
Global implementations and impact. Let's look at how AI farming is transforming agriculture across the globe. United States, heavy investment in agri-tech, job by up to 90%. India, AI apps like Microsoft's AI sowing app advise small farmers on best sowing times. Drone-based monitoring in states like Maharashtra. Netherlands, smart greenhouses use AI to control climate and maximize yield. Leading exporter of tomatoes and cucumbers per square meter. Africa, AI platforms, e.g., Zenvis, help smallholders optimize land use and predict rainfall. Challenges and concerns. Despite its promise, AI farming faces hurdles. Data privacy, who owns the data from sensors? Access inequality, small farmers in developing regions may be left behind. High initial cost, robotics and AI systems require investment. Tech literacy, farmers need training to use digital tools effectively. Section 6. The future of AI farming. The future of AI in agriculture is vast and transformative. Vertical farming plus AI, controlled environments for year-round production. Synthetic biology plus AI, tailor crops for climate resilience. Blockchain integration, transparent supply chains. Generative AI, instant crop diagnostics and tailored farming strategies. By 2030, the global AI in agriculture market is expected to surpass $10 billion. Conclusion, visual, farmer using a tablet, smiling with a drone flying overhead. As the world population approaches 10 billion by 2050, the pressure to produce more food sustainably is enormous. AI farming isn't just a technological shift, it's a food revolution. The seeds of the future are digital, and they're growing now. AI farming, growing the future, one bite at a time. Subscribe for more insights into tech and sustainability.